Hey, this is Chan, and today I've got a few Project Life value kits to share with you guys. I think these are so cute. I got them from scrapbook.com during their 12 days of Christmas sale. So they had them marked down, and then I also had a 10% off code. So I got them for roughly $10 per pack, which I thought was a good deal, because you get quite a lot of journaling cards in them, but you also get some ephemera too. So I picked up these 3 packs, and I wanted to share with you guys what's inside of them in case you're thinking about ordering them, because they've got some really cute designs in them. And they're designed to be used in pocket page style scrapbooks, like Project Life type of albums, right? But I like to use them in my journals. I like to use them in my Hopscotch, and also they're really cute for snail mailing as well, because you can write little letters on them and mail them to your pen pals. Or if you have kids, you could use them for lunchbox notes. There's plenty of different ways that you could use them. I also like to use some of the patterns from card making as well, so you can use them in many different ways. So I just wanted to show you guys what's in each of these kits in case you're considering any of them. Okay? So this one here is called Little You Girls, because there's a boy version as well. This is a baby-themed one, but I got this one because this reminds me of Humble. There's a lot of sweet sentiments, and it's a little cat. This is adorable little cat. And this adorable little heart, too. So this one reminded me of Humble. This is why I bought this one. And then this one reminded me of Wilbur. And then I also got this Christmas kit here. So let's start with this one here. This one's called Hopscotch. Right? So this kit, the Hopscotch kit, it comes with 100 total pieces. You get 40 of the 4x6 journaling cards, and 40 of the 3x4 journaling cards, and then you also get a bunch of these cute little cork embellishments. I'll show those a little later. Okay, so let's start with the 4x6 cards. These are double-sided cards, so you get a print or a pattern on each side, and you get 2 of each design. Okay? Camera print. The other side says, "That totally just happened," with a grid pattern in the background. This cute one that says hello. See, that would be so cute for making a card, eh? It says hello, and I just love the way the word hello is done, and then it has a cute scallop border on the top and bottom. And then this side says today, this week, and this month. So that'd be cute for planners and journals. This one says, "The future belongs to the curious." And this other side says, "Oh yeah," with the grid pattern in the background. It's pinwheels. And this side says, "Enjoy the little things in life." This one says, "Get messy." And then the other side has these little flower burst looking designs. And then a grid pattern here. "Find joy in the journey." The other side has "Kid approved." And this neat looking pattern here. And then a kite, and this says, "Today's a good day for a good day." This pattern here. "What a happy, sunshiny day," with a cute little smiling sun. And this says, "Let's do this." The other side is sort of, you can use it as a title card. This one has a heart, some words. Some flowers on the other side. "Big things often start small." That's so cute. Some journaling lines here. "Being serious is overrated." I totally agree. "Our family memories." Arrows. I love this one. "What a doggone good time," with a little dog. It's an adorable little dog. "Summertime adventures." This has a grid pattern there. "The true sign of intelligence is not knowledge, but imagination." And there's a quote from Albert Einstein. The other side has this little happy, look like a hopscotch design. Swings. This part has a grid pattern here. "Always be original." This makes me so incredibly happy. And some journaling lines there. This one says, "Dream a little dream." This says, "Tweet, tweet," with a cute little bird. This adorable little bird here. And "Little birdie told me." That'd be cute for snail mailing, eh? This design here. "This is where the fun stuff happens." It's cute, eh? And the other side has these cute little butterflies. You can use this way or this way. There's a grid pattern there. And this pattern here. And the other side has this. You can use it as a title card if you like. And now for the 3x4 cards. Okay, so same thing. You get 2 of each design, and they're double-sided. It says play. Cute little buttons with the grid pattern in the background. You're so rad. This pattern. Can't forget about this little dog. Doggone good. So cute. Love little dog. And then the other side has this pattern here with a grid kite and the word fly. And a little potted plant. Some journaling lines there. Ampersand. The other side says around here. That's cute. The world is your playground. I think that's so cute. It reminds me of Wilbur. And the other side of this one says yay. Enjoy the little things. Totally reminds me of Wilbur as well, because he literally will stop and smell the flowers. He's so precious. And then he'll pee on them. And the other side has this little pattern on it. Grid pattern there in the background. This one says, yes, you can. And then the other side says, hooray. Cute font, eh? And then this one says, you're one in a melon. That's so cute. That'd be so cute to make a card with. Of course, my little guys are one in a melon as well. And then the other side has this cute little 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then this one says, let your imagination run wild with the butterflies. And then this side says, 1, 2, 3, go. It says adventure. And the other side has a journaling area. So you got this grid pattern in the background there. This one says, oh shoot. Checklist. That'd be great for planners. And then this one says, when life gives you lemons. There's a little girl with a jump rope. And the other side has, so this happened. And there's this one that says, chill out with some ice creams. And the other side has, I can't believe you just said that. Stripey pattern. Little arrows. Be truthful, gentle, and fearless. And the other side has this little banner design. The other side of that one has, oh yeah. And then this one says, sorry, not sorry. The other side has going places. And here are the cork embellishments that you get. So you get 20 pieces. Well, you're supposed to get 20 pieces. I only got 19 though, so I'm missing one of them. But they're quite cute, and they're very, very thin. So if you glue them onto your journaling cards, they can still easily fit into your pocket page scrapbooks. You know? We could even put those in your journals, because they're quite thin. They're quite thin. Yeah. I love this one little dog. It's so cute. Cute little dog there. So next we're going to have a look at this kit here. This one's called Holly Jolly. It's a Christmas themed kit, and there's a lot of red foil, which is super cute. Okay, so you get, I think you get 100 total pieces in this kit. You get 30 of the 4x6 cards, and 30 of the 3x4 cards, and then you get a bunch of die cuts as well. So let's start off with the 4x6 cards. And with these you get 2 of each design, and they're single-sided. So there's only a print on one side, and the other side is blank white. So these are the duplicates. I'm just going to show you these ones here. Okay, so you get this Oh Christmas Tree one. I think all of them have touches of red foil on them. So this one says Oh Christmas Tree. Very cute. This one has a city scene and some journaling lines. Dear Santa with a reindeer. Snow globe that says Winter Wonderland. Making Spirits Bright. The plaid border. Merry and Bright. This one would be so cute for stamp mailing because it looks like a postcard. This one has a little gingerbread house and some lights on the top. Santa's on his way. This one's cute. It has like an all-over pattern of pajamas and cookies. Very cute. And this one's neat too because the whole entire red background is foiled. Is that nice? Cute font. There's the next one. There's a grid pattern there. It's fa la la. 'Tis the season to be jolly. And this drawing card as well that has lots of foil. And here are the 3x4. So the same thing, you get 2 of each design, and they're single-sided, so the backs of them are white. Okay, so here are the duplicates, and I think all of these have foil on them as well. So there's a Happy Holiday Snowman. He's so cute. It's a little candy cane looking stripy border, and then there's a grid pattern right there. And then no peeking till December 25th. I think that'd be so cute on a gift. You could just stick that on a gift. That'd be so cute. This one has a candy cane pattern. Naughty or nice. Merry Christmas. Happy everything, merry always. This one has a cute little mitten pattern. Let it snow. Meet me under the mistletoe. Cute little candies up there, and then a little gingerbread cookies. Be merry. The foil background. The most wonderful time of the year. And the words are done in foil. And this. And some of these red dots are in foil as well. So this Holly Jolly kit also comes with 40 die cut pieces. These 40 little cardstock die cuts. And it does not come with this plastic pouch. I just store my die cuts in these pouches just to keep them organized. So these are the die cuts that you get. And I forgot to mention to you guys that all of these journaling cards and die cuts that I'm going to be showing you, they're a thinner cardstock. And some people, I've read some reviews about these value kits, and some people complained about the cardstock of the journaling cards being thinner than they used to be. But personally, I don't really mind that because I want to use them in my Hobonichi, in my journals, right? So the thinner cardstock actually is sort of good for that purpose because then it won't bulk up my Hobonichi or my journal pages, right? So here we've got these cute little, they look like little scarves. They're really cute and they have different messages. So this one says Holly Jolly Christmas and Holly Jolly Christmas and December. They're really cute. And some of these don't have foil on them, but a bunch of them do. Okay. So you get these ones, but you also get a bunch of these circles. So I wanted to show you guys these because you get 40 of them, right? But then 25 of them are these numbered ones. So, I mean, these would be good if you're doing like a daily, one of those December daily type albums, right? But I just wanted to point this out because I don't know if some people might be disappointed that a bunch of them have numbers on them, right? Alright, so here are the number ones. You get 1 through 25, of course, and I realize that not everyone is going to have a need for individual number die cuts, right? But you can use them in other ways as well, right? So you see how there's these cute little characters on some of them. There's a little penguin, a polar bear, a little reindeer, a little fox. They're really cute, right? So what I was thinking of doing with these was I was going to make Christmas gift tags. So just as an example, I'm just going to use this as an example. I was going to die cut, a tag shape, and then pop these little guys up with some foam adhesive. And then just cover that up with another little die cut with a stamped message that says like for you or something like that, right? And then punch a hole and put a string in there for a little gift tag. So that's the way I'm going to be using them, I think. And of course in my journal as well, if I just want to use them to put the date on there. So in this set here, the Holly Jolly kit. So you know how I was missing one of the cork pieces from this set, right? But in this set, I actually got 2 extra things. So I got an extra journaling card and an extra one of these, number 10. Alright, so last but not least is a Little You Girls kit. And like I mentioned before, I got this because this set reminded me of Humble. It's a baby girl collection, but a lot of the designs are so sweet. The little cats and the sentiments are really sweet too. So I got this because they remind me of Humble. You get 130 pieces in the kit. You get 30 of the 4x6 cards, 30 of the 3x4 cards, and then you get 70 die cut pieces, right? So I'm going to start off with the 4x6 cards. And these are single-sided, so the backs of them are white, and you get 2 of each design, and then there's pink foil on a lot of them. So there's pink foil accents on a lot of them. Alright, so these are the duplicates. I'm just going to show you these ones here. So this one has a cute little cat in the corner with, he's got pink foil cheeks. So cute, eh? And then this says, be brave, be kind, be joyous. And then this one, I love this one. Tiny little you. The little cat in a hot air balloon. The pink foil here. So cute. And then I love this one too with the animals. Different animal designs. This one says, dream big, my little one. This one says, love. So make a cute Valentine's card. And hello, little one with a lion. Good night, sleep tight, all through the night. This one says, sweet, precious angel of mine. The sentiments are really sweet, this one. This one has a pink foil background. Is that neat? Let's make a really cute card background, I think. Or you could even punch out smaller shapes of it to make this kind of stretch the use of this pink foil. And this drawing card here. So this one has a grid pattern in here. My sweet baby girl. Cute little cloud there. This one says date in the corner, and then there's this adorable little stork. The polka dot, pink foil polka dot border. This one says, baby girl, my bundle of joy and sunshine. This one says, you are my definition of perfect. And this one says, baby. And here are the 3x4 cards, so you get 2 of each design, and they're also single-sided, so the backs of them are white. Here are the duplicates. So this cute one says, lovely little you with the heart, and the heart has pink foil cheeks. From the moment I saw you, I knew you were my dream come true. Isn't that sweet, eh? See, this reminds me of Humble so much. Sometimes the smallest things take up the most room in your heart. I love that quote so much, and that totally reminds me of Humble as well. I have a stamp with that sentiment as well. I just think that's so sweet. Our lives together. I think that's sweet too. You're so cute. You are my sunshine is one of my favorite sentiments that totally reminds me of Humble. And again, we have the cute little pink foil cheeks on the sun there. Love you. And this is my favorite one. I love you this much. Oh, it's so cute, eh? With a cute little cat. Oh man, I love this one. I will forever and always be by your side. Isn't that sweet? Oh, that's so sweet. I will love you forever. See what I'm talking about? These totally remind me of Humble. And this one, your little smile melts my heart. Again, reminds me of him. Precious. Oh, it's so cute. Love you. I call him Precious all the time too. Love you. And this one has a little baby bottle there. Cute baby girl. So this kit comes with quite a few die cuts. You get 70 pieces of die cut cardstock pieces, which is quite a good value, I think. So here are just some of them. I've got more I'll show you in just a little bit, right? But I just want to lay these out for you so you can have a look at them. And some of them have these tiny little sentiments like my sweet baby girl, our little star, sweet little angel of mine, all through the night, never grow up. Sweet baby of mine, perfect and precious, love you forever, sweet baby girl. And then there's these ones here, these little tag ones. This one says special delivery, and then there's month 1, month 6, month 12. Okay? Really cute. I love the little faces on the characters, you know? So here are more of the die cut pieces. I love a lot of these ones here. Like, look at this one here that says, all you need is sleep, with this adorable cat. I love this one. And I just wanted to show you as a comparison here. This is one of the 3x4 inch journaling cards. So this one here is a little bit smaller. So cute, eh? I just love that. I love that. And then this one that has the cat that says, I love you. Oh man, I love this too. You got the cute little heart with the rosy cheeks and a little bunny and this little cat here and a little lion. You have my heart, that's so sweet. And then here's another one of the Winnie the Pooh quote. Sometimes the smallest things take up the most room in your heart. I love that. Love and cherish. You're very loved, little one. And you're my greatest adventure. This is cute too. You're my greatest adventure. So sweet. Sweet dreams, little one. And I love this one with the cloud. The cloud of the little sheep. That's so cute. Oh, love heart, bow, and then look at this adorable cat and a hot air balloon, tiny little you. Ah, so cute. Sweet little bird here. And this one says, full of happiness and joy. Special moment. You're so cute, so sweet. And this one has the pink foil. Flower, little tassels here. Really cute stuff. I just love these die cuts. Alright, so you have it, guys. The Project Life value kits that I got. I'm so excited about using these. So I'm glad that I finally got around to making this video, because nowadays I just feel like I want to show you guys stuff before I use them. I'm just weird, right? So I keep thinking, like, before I use stuff, I keep thinking, I want to make a video about that first, right? So I'm glad I finally got a chance to make this video so I could show you what's in each kit, and now I can go nuts in using this stuff. So I'm going to be using these in my Hopscotch and in my Traveler's Notebook and in my card making and stuff, so I'll be sure to share videos about how I use them in the near future. Alright, so I just want to say thanks for watching, and hopefully I catch you next time. Alright, bye!